you're the one that I'm into. Nobody else should matter for you. Put my walk into chasing you. Don't wanna be a second option. And you know I can treat you better than she can. Let me hold your hands and I'll go let you go. You know I'll treat you better than she can. Follow your command and I'll go let you go. There's no one by my side. I just want you deep inside. I want you deep inside. Please enjoy the ride. Only feel better by your side. Please don't stop tonight. Tonight, you know I can treat you better than she can. Let me hold your hands and I'll go let you go. You know I treat you better. She can follow your command and I'll go let you go. 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 And I'll go let you go, baby. And I'll go let you go, baby. And I'll go let you go, baby. And I'll go let you go, my baby, my baby. She can. Let me hold your hands and I'll go let you go, yeah. Okay, so the next song is titled In My Head. Thank you. All right. So melodies, yeah, yeah. Shut in my head, spinning around, you make me scared. Act like you don't care. This feeling drawing me near, you got me going crazy. There's nothing that can replace this. So say it like you mean it.